Natural Skin Lightening Face Mask to light skin tone. Natural Skin Brightening Face Mask to get radiant skin, fair skin. Today we are here again on how to lighten dark skin. People are looking for best face mask for skin lightening at home, which are so easy to make and easy to get. There are many skin lightening cream available in the market these days, which proposes to be the best way to lighten skin fast, but the harmful chemicals and additives causes additional damage to your skin instead of light skin tone. The best skin brightening face mask under these circumstances is to use natural skin lightening remedies, or some natural ways to lighten skin. So, these natural skin brightening mask will light skin color and gives you fair skin naturally. Our skin becomes dull and pigmented and black, mainly due to the accumulation of dead skin cells and damages from pollutants and harmful UV rays. And then it is getting essential to know how to lighten black skin. It is extremely important to use a good skin lightening face mask so that the sun's UV rays do not cause any damage to the skin cells. And such a skin brightening facial which will ensure that all the dirt, grime, and impurities are removed along with the dead skin cells are being necessary. A skin lightening facial does not mean only face light or skin whitening, but a radiant skin or glowing skin is what we need. So, keeping in mind this is going to be the best brightening face mask to lighten face naturally. I have used many skin lightening facial and skin lightening soap once. It was like my everyday search about how to lighten your skin on internet. But none of them were really very effective to lighten my skin permanently. But these type of natural brightening face mask which are so inexpensive and has no side effects. It is also true that this is the best natural skin lightener in term of permanent use. They are not going to give you instant face brightening, but still the best result comes with time. Now no need to be worried about how to make your skin lighter. It may be possible to lighten it a few shades through these skin lightening mask easily and naturally. All men and women, regardless of age or ethnicity, want even, clear and radiant skin. I don't know why it is really a dream to have natural skin lightening for black people when the complexion does not matter. It should be radiant skin, glowing skin and healthy skin. The challenge to achieve radiant skin begins with dark spots or hyperpigmentation caused by the accumulation of melanin. And this best skin lightening mask will surely be the answer of your question, how to make skin lighter. It is really a light mask in terms of best skin lightener as well as in expense. Add this skin lightening face mask to your skin care routine. I will be waiting for your reply. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.